Yeah, about a month and a half ago, we announced kind of a huge shift for us, and we launched our demand-side platform for video advertising. It's a single solution for real-time media buying, ad serving, targeting, optimization, and measurement. So advertisers, trading desks can use us to buy across 5 billion auctions for ad space per day, and that's across any leading video ad format. So we have pre-roll, in banner units, special social media and mobile units, and really it's the first true cross-platform DSP out there for video advertising. There's a lot of networks, there's a lot of players, but we were first to market with that and are adding inventory all the time.
Yeah, where do things stand? Tell us about how it's developing.
It's going great. Brett's our CEO is kind of flying all over and signing deals with various trading desks. It's capturing a lot of momentum, and we see it. There's the kind of traditional model it works where we do all the heavy lifting. We have it kind of as a managed service for media buyers who are used to us doing heavy lifting and want additional things like brand surveys and custom reporting we do. And we also have it self-serve where, small and medium-sized businesses can run kind of any budget, any campaign, and run video ad campaigns. So it's going really well. And of course it has our analytics built in, and that's kind of our core and our history. So you can see exactly where your ad is running and kind of tweak accordingly. So you can see if one site is not performing that well for the pre-roll, you can pause that site and add other sites and adjust budget and adjust things on the fly. We're aggregating a ton of inventory from exchanges, from supply side platforms, from our own relationships with publishers, which we leverage to create this. And really anyone can go in there and you pick the exact sites you want your ad to run on. And we give you little projections of how many impressions and views you can expect based on real-time data we're constantly taking in. So we're going to project out for a given CPM, for a given budget, how many views you can expect for the sites you picked. And it's live in minutes, and you can always adjust things on the fly. That's what's really cool about it is, you can go in there. It's kind of like crack. You get addicted to tweaking little things and kind of looking at how your campaign is doing. It's a lot like if trying it on, like the first time you tried on Google AdWords or something, but it's in the context of brand advertising, things that brand marketers care about, like lifting awareness and purchase intent rather than more direct response metrics, which you see in like display and kind of search more. At the core of all of our offerings, whether it's the brand focused demand side platform or the advertising side or the content side, and just really metrics and kind of measuring success and transparency is really at our core and is in our DNA. So we're here at Brightcove Play. We just did a preview of, we do quarterly research on kind of owned media industry trends. So we're looking at broadcasters, brand sites, and we just kind of went over some of our quarterly research, gave the attendees here kind of a sneak preview of what's coming. And I think it's really interesting seeing the evolution of how things are changing, just both on the advertising and content side. And, viewed minutes, uniques, sharing rates, just how people are interacting is changing all the time.
So how do the customers at Brightcove use your analytics?
So if you click analytics in your Brightcove account, a lot of the reporting you're going to see there is powered by us. And in fact, if you go to the very bottom of the page, you'll see our logo and kind of small powered by TubeMogul. So a lot of the engagement charts, kind of device, kind of views and minutes viewed by device, and referral traffic. So how much of my traffic is coming from Facebook, Twitter? We're powering a lot of that. Well, actually, all of the metrics I just mentioned, we're powering.